welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic, wonderful day. I'm doing really good today. As you notice, I'm still in my comfy sweatshirt. The same day, I'm going to be doing a few unboxings. But if you guys are new here, I'm so excited to have you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. It would mean the absolute world to me. All of my subscribers, I love you all. You guys are so supportive, and I just want to thank you for supporting me and my YouTube channel. So with that being said, let's get into why you guys are here, and that is yet again another unboxing. Today we have my Yes Oh Yes bag, and I love this bag. Yes Oh Yes is, and I pulled up their website so that I could figure out the prices so I can tell you guys the correct information. Yes Oh Yes is $14.99 a month, and I'm pretty sure you have to pay a little bit of a shipping fee, I do believe, and you get 3 to 7 full-size beauty products. And here is just their website. So that is what their website looks like, and I will leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. It is not an affiliate link. I just like to leave it so you guys have easy access to it. So with all that rambling and craziness going on, let's get into my Yes Oh Yes and see what we got this month. And it says, again, fragile, like on the Christmas Story. I absolutely love that movie. So let's just get in here. Okay, so we have the card for the month, and the theme this month is Resting Witch Face. And I love the sugar skull. I love sugar skulls. So we have a little sugar skull on the front, and then all of the items and their prices on the back, which we'll read as we go along. So let's see. The first thing we pull out is this box, and it is by Sticks. And this is a lipstick, and it just says Sticks lipstick, and this retails for $20. And I don't know what the shade is Tangerine. I hope it's not super orange, like an orange lipstick. Ooh, it's a little orange. Okay, so here is the lipstick. It is very pretty. I love the packaging, how it is shaped right here. I do like a triangle, slanted triangle, and it is very shiny and pretty. And then you open it up. Oh, there we go. How do you twist? Oh, okay. I was very confused as to how the lipstick came out. But here is the shade. It is pretty orange. So let's give it a swatch and see exactly how orange. Ooh, yeah, that's orange. Here is the lipstick. It is pretty orange. I don't own any orange lipsticks, but I will give this a try, maybe mix with another color. I can mute down that orange just a little bit, but there is that color again. It is called Tangerine, and this is by Sticks. So I am excited about this because I don't have anything like it, so I'll definitely be giving it a go. Okay, so the next thing we're going to pull out is this. And we have a nail polish by NCLA Los Angeles. And this is in the shade I've Been Drinking, is the shade name. And this retails for $18. And it is 7 free luxury nail lacquer without, and then it's in a different language. So I have no idea what it's without. But I do have nail polish on, so I will not be swatching this. But here is the color of it. It seems like a pinky orange color, which is a really pretty color. Right now I just have some orange glitter on my nails. So I'll definitely be giving this a go. I have tons of nail polish, so I'll add this to my collection. The next thing I'm going to pull out is stuck in the bag. Ow, that's sticky, the sticky stuff from the packaging is pulling the hair off my arm. Okay, so the next thing is in this little box, and it is called Lighten Up by Mirabella. And here is the packaging for this guy. And this is Mirabella Visionary Longwear Eyeshadow, and this retails for $30. That's really expensive for one eyeshadow. But there's the little packaging, and this is in the shade Imagine. So we'll open this guy up and see what it looks like. Ooh, it looks really pretty from what I can see. It comes in this little pot here, and we'll open it up. And it says Visionary on the top of the packaging. And it does have a safety seal that says, "Want to stay fresh? Keep me on the jar." That is really cute. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that little saying in there or not, but I think that is really cute. So I'll take it off and then I will put it back on. And it is like a loose pigment. Hopefully I don't like spill this everywhere. But here is the shade. Let's see if I can swatch it. Oh, it's like a jelly. It feels like a jelly. I thought it was like a loose powder, but it's definitely not. It's a cream eyeshadow. Let me put this down real quick. Here is the shade on my hand. And then here's a swatch. That is really pretty. I think that'd even be like a pretty highlight. Here it is on my hand. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it is very shimmery and shiny. I think it would make a beautiful highlight and eyeshadow as well. So I will definitely be using this guy. I'm going to put the little packaging thing to keep it fresh. There's the lid. Thought I lost the lid. Okay, and the next thing I'm pulling out is this, and it is wrapped in bubble wrap, which I love me some bubble wrap. Oh, I have a leg cramp. Oh, leg cramp. Ow. I was sitting cross-legged, and I just got a really bad cramp in my hip. I feel like I'm like 80 years old. But we have an eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. This is called City Limits, and I really love the packaging. And it's like different shades of purple. And this palette is IBY Cosmetics City Limits palette, and this retails for $28. So we'll get this out and get some swatches for you guys. Okay, and the packaging on the outside of the box continues to the actual palette. It is very pretty, shimmery, shiny. I love it. So and then we open up and we have the palette. It does have a safety shield on it. And the little mirror, it says, "You are more than beautiful," which I think is amazing. And then we have all of these shades, which I think are very pretty. So we'll get some swatches. The first one is called Road Trip. And it is just a very light shade. So that'd be a good base color. The next one is called Nightfall. These are really powdery. Very powdery. Here's the next one that is called Nightfall. It is very shimmery. So there is that one on my arm. The next one is called Headliner, and it is a brown shade. And there's that one. So swatch that one there. They're very pigmented and very super soft. The next one is called Drop Base. And here is, this one is, it is a purple shade. So there is that one. The next one is called Glamping. I'm running out of fingers to swatch. And this one is just a nude color. Swatch that right there. Oh, it's actually more pigmented than I thought it would be. The next one is called Fire and Ice. And we'll put this one on my hand here. So there's that one that is Fire and Ice. The next one is called Playlist. And it is a matte pink. And here's that one on my ring finger. And we'll just swatch it right next to that one. They are very fallouty, very powdery. So there's the next one there. The next one is called a VIP. And it is a shimmer, very powdery. It is like a maroon color. I'm going to just put that right there. They're very pigmented though, very pigmented. The next one is called Silent Disco, and it is a maroon matte shade. And there's that one. There's, like I said, they're super pigmented. The next one is called a Light Show. And here's that one on my finger. And we'll swatch it next to that one. So there's Night Show, or Light Show. The next one is called a Dance Party, and it is a shimmery green shade. Right there on my finger. And here's a swatch of that. Very pretty. And the last one is called Backstage, and it is a matte blue. And here's that one on my finger, and that one swatched. So there are all of the shades with some on my hand. I look like a striped tiger or something, but there are all the shades. Like I said, they are very powdery, so I'd be careful with putting them on my eyes so I don't get a lot of fallout, because they are powdery, but they are super pigmented. I love them. So that is the City Limits palette by IBY Beauty. So that is all that we have in our Yes Oh Yes bag. Do you guys think it's worth the what did I say, $14.99 plus I think you have to pay a shipping fee. If you guys get this bag, did you guys get the same thing? I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. I'm going to go get these swatches off my arm before I get them all over everything. But if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!